The thing today is, Baby Tate, her song, I am healthy, I am wealthy, I am rich, I am gonna get what I want, and I am not gonna take your, I'm protected, well respected, I'm a queen, I'm a dream, and I'm who I want to be, because I am me, okay? I just had to sit back and realize I am me. I was just sitting up here making a video the other day, and I was stating about how you walk by faith and not by sight. A lot of the times, finances is something you have the biggest difficulty walking in faith in. And countless times, God reminds you how you're panicking for no reason, and He already got the situation covered. He will never leave or forsake you. So why would He put you in a situation? Why would He give you all these tools and all these gifts and all these aspirations and put you on all these different roadmaps and tell you that you are the best? And if you're walking in His image, then you are like Him. And why would He call you your child if you can't be the greatest? Okay. So I'm the best. I'm the greatest. And if you watching this, you with me. We're the best. I don't care what nobody tell you. You're the best. You're going to get what you want. You need to stop listening to other people BS. Get up out that bed. Get up out that room that don't see your skills. My lips dry and crusty right now. That's how I ain't even put no Vaseline for this message, because this is the rough draft. This is the cut raw, baby. You deserve it all. You can get whatever you want, however you want it, however you see it. You just got to put yourself out of the position or out of the area that is not serving you, because we have to be of service, but we also have to be of service to ourselves. One thing that I noticed is you can't take care of nobody else if you don't take care of yourself. You can't lead nobody else if you didn't lead yourself. It's not just no blueprint. It's not just no proof in the pudding. It's your pudding. Because how can you dare love somebody more than you love you? How could you dare give somebody or help assist somebody in the life that you want? You're going to assist somebody steal your life? The devil comes to steal, kill, and destroy. Okay, you're going to assist in giving up your destiny? Nah, like for real. You're going to assist in your destiny swap instead of making your own destiny and assisting people into their own. Alright, we got to do better than this, because we is healthy and wealthy. And we're going to get what we want. We're going to be who we want to be, because we have the tools. It's in us. It's not on us. It's in us. Okay? And I hope you have a beautiful day. And don't be helping nobody else with their destiny if you ain't helping yourself. Okay? Help yourself. Don't wreck yourself. And don't put yourself on the back burner. There's two big burners for a reason. Them little bit, whoever in the back, they can only get a little piece of the cake. They can't get the whole cake. Okay? They can't get the whole cake. Now you giving them a glass of milk with it. You giving them leche. You giving them leche. They don't need no leche. They so thirsty. They've been sucking up everybody else's energy and information and skill set. Come on now. Come on. Come on. God said, I will runneth over your cup. But He cannot runneth over your cup if you're running over everyone else's cup. If you're pouring from an empty cup. Now what are we serving? What kind of drink is this? What kind of mindset is this? What kind of love is this? What kind of I'm the greatest, I know who I am, I know what I can be, what I can get is this? If you're pouring from an empty cup, what are you drinking to nutrient to give yourself nutrients? What are you doing? Because we can't survive off your air. So you pouring air into everybody else's cup, thinking you still got liquids, but it's just fumes. And everybody just taking your little fumes because it's still sparking ignition and still can give them some go pull on top of the liquid that you already distribute out of your cup into theirs. So now they're at an overflow, and now they're getting the last of your flow, and you're still stuck wondering how you ain't got no energy. You're a power source. You are the source, but the source needs charging. The source needs charging. You are the one. You are the chosen one. Yeah. But the chosen one needs reminders. It needs strength training. And it needs training. We're in training. Not just saying we're in training and we need to really learn fully everything, but no, we're in training on how to pour in the most into ourselves. Okay? Stop pouring from an overflowing cup. From an empty cup. Stop pouring from an empty cup. You are healthy, you are wealthy, you are rich. You or that nigga, you know what I'm saying? You could do what you want, and you're not gonna take anyone's. Yeah. Have a great day. I'm on my way to work, and I bet you I filled up my cup before I came over here and tried to work for somebody else. Have a great day. Be safe. GG with the gym.